15 years, LOPO has been dedicated to a mission, helping personalization business discover products that create real opportunities. We don't start with products, we start with a question. What will help our customers grow tomorrow? That question became the starting point of our 2026 stainless steel tumbler collection. Every LOPO product begins with research. We analyze personalization market trends, traditional consumer product trends, Amazon bestsellers, Walmart retail trends, Etsy customization trends, color-focused new manufacturing technologies. Only after connecting market demand, consumer behavior, and supply chain innovation do we begin development. Because products should not be selected by luck, they should be selected by opportunity. After extensive research, two sizes stood out: 600 mm, the most successful sublimation drinkware size over the past 20 years, and 1000 mm, one of the fastest growing drinkware category worldwide over the past 3 years. One represents proven demand and the other represents the future growth. Together, they help our customers serve broad markets. Innovation often lives in the details. For the 600 ml tumbler, we selected a completely newly designed. New molds require significant investments, making the product's cost higher than traditional alternatives. But we believe valuable innovation helps our customer attract new buyers and generate the stronger margins. For the 1000 ml tumbler, we selected two of the newest designs currently available, because staying ahead of the trends creates opportunities. Color selection took months of research. We studied 2026 color trends and combined them with sublimation printing requirements. The results: glossy whites, matte whites, champagne cream, and dusty teal. These colors not only follow market trends, they also provide an excellent printing service, helping artwork stand out beautifully. We wanted packaging that felt different. We explore recyclable solutions because sustainability is becoming increasingly important. However, truly sustainable packaging remains expensive. Although we could not achieve every sustainability goal this time, we still wanted something unique. Instead of a standard white box, we selected a craft paper window box. Natural, authentic, and designed to showcase customized products immediately. Because personalization is about emotional connection. Whether you use a tumbler press or a sublimation oven, these products were designed to fit your workflow. Simple to print, easy to customize, built for business. For 15 years, one principle has guided LOPO: quality always go first. We strive for zero defect delivery, because every blank product eventually becomes someone's gift, someone's memories, and someone's story. 15 years in this industry has taught us one thing: there is always more to learn. Thank you for supporting LOPO. We invite you to experience our new collection and share your feedback. And if you have an idea for the next great product, don't forget to talk to LOPO. We promise to provide a complete solution, from samples to production, from product development to go-to-market recommendations within 3 working days. Together, let's make customization change lives.
LOPO, make life memorable.